JEE question. What is the question here? F of x is a power x, written as f of x is equal to f1x plus f2x, where f1x is an even function, f2x is an odd function. Then what is the value of f1 of x plus y and what is the value of f1 of x minus y? F1, both f1. Okay. Fn of x plus y, Fn of x minus y. See here, you want to find this one. So you know that if it is an even function, f of f1x can be written as, if it is an even function we can write as a power x plus a power minus x divided by 2. As even function time I explained. So you have a power x, even function can be written as f of x is equal to a power x plus a power minus x divided by 2. Okay. And f2x will be odd function. Odd function can be written as what? A power x minus a power minus x divided by 2. Okay. Then what is they asked here? This is even function you got. Now he is asking to find f1 of x plus y, f1 of x minus y. So f1 of x plus y will be what? F1 of x plus y will be a power x plus y plus a power minus of x plus y divided by 2. And another one is what? F1 of x minus y. F1 of x minus y can be written as what? Fn of x minus y can be written as. In this only I will substitute. Wherever x is there, that place I will write x. Here I wrote x plus y. Now I will write x minus y. If I write x minus y, I will get here f1 of x minus y value will be a to the power of x minus y plus a to the power of minus of x minus y divided by 2. Understood? We have to add these both. Okay? We have to add these both. Actually, question taken a lot of place. Should I erase the question? Okay, f1 of x plus y plus f1 of x minus y. This value will get as, this is you get as a to the power of x plus y, a to the power of x plus y plus a to the power of minus x minus y divided by 2 plus a to the power of x minus y plus a to the power of minus x plus y divided by 2 you get. Did you understand what I did here? See here, a to the power of this both I added there, that's it. I added this and this because I need f1 of x plus y, f1 of x minus y. So I added these both here. Thereafter, what I am doing here, 1 by 2 I will take out common. 1 by 2 I will take out common. So you know that a to the power of m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n. So what you can write here, a power x into a power y plus this I can write as 1 upon a power x into a power y I can write because it is in minus, no? So minus means I will get a power minus x will be 1 by a power x. A power minus y will be 1 by a power y. So you will get this now. Okay. Plus here what I am going to get here, 1 by 2 I took common everything. So what do you get here? A power x upon a power y plus what I will get here? A power 1 upon a power x plus a power y I will get. Into, right? This is an into, right? Yeah. You are going to get like this.
So there should be minus.
Where?
A to the power x minus y minus a.
Who is
to the
this?
power.
Tell me. A power x into a power y.
This is second term.
Ah.
Middle side should be minus.
See, minus x, minus into minus plus, no?
No sir. Middle term.
Middle term here.
A power x minus y.
Tell me. Where here? What's the wrong?
A power x minus y minus a power.
एक मिनट मैं जो लिखा है a power x plus y 1 by a power x by a पावर वाई प्लस ए पावर वाई पे सही लिखा ना, क्या गलत है?
Sir, why f1 x minus y and
इधर अरे ए पावर एक्स माइनस वाई तो एक्स बाई वाई होगा ना, क्या अरे नेगेटिव है तो वन बाई आएगा ना सर, क्या गलत है इसमें? हाँ सही है, वो कुछ गलत नहीं है। क्या हुआ सर? एनी डाउट स्टिल यू आर फीलिंग? सी ए पावर माइनस, सी हियर ए पावर एक्स माइनस वाई कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट? ए पावर एक्स इंटू ए पावर माइनस वाई. A power minus y can be written as 1 by a power y. So I wrote correct only na, right? Is it clear? Or still you have doubt? Doubt hai to bataiye. Right sir. Now what you do here? Here you can take a power x common. So 1 by 2 you can take here a power x common. If you take a power x common, you get a power y plus 1 by a power y. What you can take here common? Here what you can take common? 1 by a power x you can take common. Okay, you can just take the common. These both you take common. It's better these both. In this both, a power x you take common. Then you get a power y plus 1 by a power y you will get. In this both, 1 by a power x take common. We get 1 by a power y plus a power y will be getting common. Did you understand? Right? Only two steps are left. You understood here? Wait karo. See a power x into a power y plus 1 upon a power x a power y. ये है ना, समझ में आया आपको? Everyone understood or not? See here what I did here, this step because the place is not sufficient, so I am writing. In this both step a power x I took common. Here left a power y and here left 1 by a power y, and plus in this both step 1 by a power x I took common. So I left 1 by a power y plus a power y. In this both what is common? In this both what is common? They both same hai na, common. So what you get here? 1 by 2. Final step you get here 1 by 2 a power y plus 1 by a power y into a power x plus 1 by a power x you will get into 1 by 2. Okay, you get like this. Is it clear? So this is indicating what? This is indicating which option you take it out. This is I can write as a power 1. See here, this is I can write as a power y plus a power minus 1. Okay, you copy down this till down. You can copy it. I will tell you. Last two steps are left. This indicates 1 by 2. See here, 1 by 2 means I can write multiply 2 inside. A power y plus 1 by a power y. That is I can write as a power minus y. And divide by 2 into a power x plus a power minus x I got. This whole answer is, this is 1 by 2, that 1 by 2 will divide only one place. Okay. So a power we get as a power y plus a power minus y, divide by 2 into, you get a power x plus a power minus x. So to get 2 here, I will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. I multiplied and divided. Now this picture is indicating the question, that is f1 of y. This is f1 of y. This is f1 of x is this. So f1 of y will be a power y plus a power minus y divided by 2. So this is f1 of y. And this one indicates f1x. So the answer is 2 into f1x into f1y. So D option was the right answer. Right? Understood? लिमिट्स का शॉर्टकट्स पढ़ाता हूँ, और उसका भी 10 क्वेश्चन पढ़ाऊंगा फास्ट. सुना इधर, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं सर? Here what we write as f of c, the condition is given f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. So when they given like this, these conditions I have taught you in the function topic, even in differentiation also. So when you have f of x plus y is equal to f of x into y, so f of x we can write as a power x, or you can write b power x or something. Okay, already here a is there, so that's why you change as b power x. Exponential form it is. Okay, f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, then the function is f of x. That means exponential function. So exponential function can be written as f of x is equal to b power x. So this is the condition given. So there are 5 conditions I gave. You just check in the notebook. When they have given this f of x minus y log also, f of x minus f of y is there, then you have to take in log. Function should be taken in log. In multiplication you have to take in exponential, like conditions I have given. So this is f of x plus y can taken as in exponential form, f of x is equal to b power x, and they given that f of 1 is equal to 2. They given this is. So I can find this constant now. So f of 1, if I substitute in this, I get f of 1 is equal to b power 1, that is b. So I get b value here 2, because f of 1 here b and f of 1 here 2. So b is equal to 2 I got. So therefore I got the function f of x is equal to 2 raised to power x. This is what exponential form you got. Okay, therefore he is asking to find what here? This value. Sigma is equal to k is equal to 1 to 10. A plus k is equal to 16 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. So you have to apply sigma for this. Substitute 1 here. What I get here? A plus 1. I think function I forgot. See here a plus 1 आएगा इधर. This is you get a plus 1. It should be have a plus 1. So here function you get as 2 to the power of a plus 1. This value you get as 2 to the power of a plus 1. Okay, plus next k you have to substitute 2. Actually you should get here function. Okay, you can write here 2 to the power of a plus 2 plus 2 to the power of a plus 3 plus so and so 2 to the power of a plus 10, and this value is equal to 16 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. मैं एक बार चेक करता हूँ क्वेश्चन को. F is okay. Is saying that this is satisfying this rule. Okay, this is satisfying this rule. It means this which function you have to know this one. Is saying that this sigma is equal to k is equal to 1 to 10. This is satisfying this one. So function we have to derive from this rule. So from this rule I understood the function is 2 to the power of x. So 2 to the power of x should be here. Is in the place of x you have to substitute these all values. So that is 2 to the power of a plus 1, 2 to the power of a plus 2, so and so is equal to this much. You have to find the value of a here now. So what you can do here is I can write 2 to the power of a into 2. So 2 to the power of a I can take out common. I get here 2 to the power of 1, and I can get here 2 to the power of 4 common. So 2 square, okay, 2 square, and then 2 cube, so and so plus 2 power 10. Because 2 to the power of a is each term it is there. I hope you understand. 2 to the power of a plus 1 can be written as 2 to the power of a into 2 to the power of 1. Here also 2 to the power of a into 2 square. So 2 power a you have taken common out. Okay, and this is equal to you got 16 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. And this is sum of GP. See here, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. This is in GP. Sum of the terms in GP formula. Sum of the terms in GP, SN. Sum of the terms in GP formula. A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So a is here 2. First term is a is here 2. R is here common ratio. this is 2 square, this is 2, T2 by T1. So 4 by 2 is 2. You know this is GP. GP is what, I'll explain here. You have 2 square means A is equal to 2 and R is equal to 2 square by 2. So R is equal to 2, A is equal to 2. And Sn is equal to formula A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So you get as 2 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, because here R is 10, because you are going here 1 to 10 you are going. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So what you got here finally? This is equal to 16 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And this is 2 power. So what you got finally here, I got is 2 to the power of A into 2 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1 is equal to 16 into 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. 2 to the power of 10 minus 1, 2 to the power of 10 minus 1 cancel out. So you get 2 to the power of A plus 1. This is A plus 1. If the bases are equal, powers will be added. Is equal to 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. So now bases are equal, exponents will be equalated. So A plus 1 is equal to 4. A is equal to 3 is the answer. C is the right answer. So this question, okay, f of x they given log e 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, modulus x less than 1, f of 2x upon 1 plus x is equal to dash. So we can write as f of x is equal to, the question which is given I wrote, and you have to find f of 2x upon 1 plus x square. So in the place of x, we are going to substitute 2x upon 1 plus x square in the function. Log 1 minus in the place of x, it will be replaced. In the place of x, it will be replaced. Then you are going to take the LCM of this. So log 1 plus x square is the LCM. LCM will get a 1 plus x square minus 2x upon this. Here also LCM. 1 plus x square plus 2x upon 1 plus x square. These both will be cancelled out. This is a minus b whole square formula. 1 minus x whole square. This is a plus b whole square formula. 1 plus x square. And this can be written as log 1 minus x upon 1 plus x whole square we can write. And you know that log a power m is equal to m log a. So according to this, 2 will jump back. And this is the function itself which is given. So 2 times of f of x is the right answer. Right? Is it over? Clear? Should I explain once again? I need to explain? Should I need to explain? No need, no? Question is, for x belongs to R minus 0 comma 1, f of x, f1x is 1 by x, f2x is 1 minus x, f3x is 1 by 1 minus x. Why they have given these things is, here x is 0, not defined. Here x is 1, not defined. So that is the reason they given x belongs to R minus 0 comma 1. So that is least bother. If a function jx is satisfied this condition, and then jx is dash. That is the question. Jx is equal to this. It satisfies what is Jx. Okay? That is what they asked. अरे ये तो record ही नहीं हो रहा. What happened to this? Right. Now listen here. We will take this one. है ना? This is the composite function. That's indicate the composite. F2 circle G circle F1 of x is equal to the given that F3 of x. Look at here. The circle should be broken this. You have to break this circle, write the bracket, and then you go and write the bracket f1 of x you get. So this is what happens. Is equal to f3 of x. Here we generally go inside and we substitute 1 by 1. What is f1 of x? f1 of x is 1 by x. So we get is a 1 by x. Is equal to f3 of x is 1 by 1 minus x. Now Now here look at this one, j of 1 by x. There is j of 1 by x is not there, but f2 is there. So this f2 inside, see, f2 inside whatever is there, that acts as 1 minus x. f2 inside something is there, that will become 1 minus something. f1 inside something is there, that acts as 1 by x. f3 inside something is there, that acts as 1 by 1 minus x. As this, here f2 inside is j of 1 by x, it acts like 1 minus x. So I can write as 1 minus j of 1 by x, and that is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x. I need to find j of x. Simple. Send this is this side and send that side. You get as 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus x is equal to j of 1 upon x. But I require is jx. First I will simplify this. If I simplify this, 1 minus x minus x is equal to j of 1 by x. This minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. I get here minus x upon 1 minus x is equal to j of 1 by x. See, but I have to get jx. So for a time being, let us consider 1 by x is equal to t. Therefore, I get x is equal to, what is x I get? X replace 1 by t. If I reciprocal this, x will become 1 by t. Therefore, I can write j of t will be, because I replace 1 by x as t, so j of t will be minus 1 upon t divided by 1 minus 1 upon t. So j of t will get as, t will be the LCM, t minus 1 and minus 1 by t, and this t cancel out. J of t is equal to, I got minus 1 upon t minus 1. Look at which is right. This looks both same. Just multiply with minus, take out the minus common. So if I take out the minus common or multiply with minus on both sides, up and down, so I get as 1 minus t. Now just replace t as x, so jx will give you 1 upon 1 minus x, and that indicates f3x. So the answer is f of 3x. Options not given here. Answer is f3x. j of x is f3x. That's it. देखिए क्वेश्चन क्या है ना, f of x is equal to x square upon 1 minus x square is a subjective question, then a is equal to dash. Subjective का मतलब क्या है? What is that? f of x is equal to y is called subjective. That's it. f of x is equal to y. Where f of x is the range, y is called codomain. X and y, x is domain, y is the codomain, and y is equal to x. F of x is equal to y. This is the subjective condition. On to 1 all I explained. So if f of x, that is x square upon 1 minus x square is equal to y, and is asking what is the range of this. Okay, what is the range of this? So you need to do what here? What you have to do? Range कैसा फाइंड आउट करते हो? बोलो फिर क्या करते हो? इजी क्वेश्चन ना, मैंने पढ़ाया, बहुत बार पढ़ा है इसको. क्या करना है? y is equal to, आपको क्या करना है? x को सब्जेक्ट बनाना है. What you have to do? You have to make x as a subject. So do cross multiplication. Y minus yx square is equal to x square. I explained many times. So what do you get here? Y is equal to, what you get here? X square plus yx square. So take x square common. Y is equal to x square common out 1 plus y. So x square is equal to what you got? Y upon 1 plus y. तो x square ये आया, तो x क्या होगा? अंडर रूट होगा. x is equal to अंडर रूट ऑफ y upon 1 plus y. रेंज फाइंड आउट करना है ना सर. तो रेंज कैसा फाइंड आउट? डोमेन रेंज मैंने बहुत पढ़ा है तो क्वेश्चंस. तो ये क्या ना, ये वैल्यू क्या होगा? व्हाट यू गेट हियर? y upon 1 plus y must be greater than r equal to 0, because स्क्वायर रूट वैल्यू greater than r equal to 0. आपको बेबी कर्व मेथड पता है? उठा दो, फिर हो गया. ये इसका वैल्यू क्या है -1 है, इसका 0 क्या है 0 है, y 0 0 है, y प्लस 1 0 -1 है, इधर प्लस माइनस प्लस, सो आंसर क्या होगा प्लस का आंसर होगा. सो रेंज व्हाट इज द रेंज हियर, y बिलोंग्स टू माइनस इंफिनिटी गामा -1, इधर -1 नहीं होना चाहिए. इफ इट इज -1 it will become 0. why something by 0 is undefined, तो ये -1 नहीं होना चाहिए. तो -1 इज ओपन, यूनियन 0 टू इंफिनिटी, बस हो गया, यही रेंज है. इसमें 0 इंक्लूड हो सकता है, बिकॉज इफ आई कीप हियर 0 आई गेट सैटिस्फाइड और नॉट चेक इट. If I keep -1 it will not satisfy, but if I keep 0, yes it will be satisfied. 0 by 1 is 0, so 0 is included. Now you got the range, now check which option is correct. Check the option is which is correct. कौन सा करेक्ट है, हो गया आंसर. इसमें कौन सा करेक्ट है बताओ. C is the right answer. R माइनस करना है ना उसमें से, ये इसमें से ना -∞ टू -1 यूनियन 0 टू इंफिनिटी. सो R में से कौन निकालना है, -1 टू 0 निकालना है. 0 इसमें चाहिए था और -1 इसमें नहीं चाहिए था. सो R माइनस -1 टू 0 इज द राइट आंसर. तो आपको जेई 2019